Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. As we know together guys that the first Android you use certainly contribute a lot of your habit of using the Android button. And if you are used to using the back button on the left, you'll be less comfortable when using an Android with the back button on the right. In fact, sometimes the position of the button can cause someone to cancel buying a particular Android smartphone even though the specifications are very suitable for their needs. So now I'm gonna show you how to change the position of the back button on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, the first way is go to settings menu and then you can scroll down till the bottom and go to system menu. So now you can tap on system navigation and click more settings. Alright, now you can choose the layout of navigation or back button. You can choose whatever you want like this. And then the back button or the layout of navigation will be changed accordingly. Alright, here's the tutorial on how to change the position of navigation or back button, and thank you so much for watching.